What's up guys, welcome back to XJ for Life. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the Flowmaster Super 44 muffler that I put on my 1996 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So yeah, let's get into it guys. Alright guys, so under the car here we have our catalytic converter, which then goes into the Flowmaster Super 44, and then I put a dump pipe on the back, so then the exhaust just dumps out the back. And then in order to do that I had to make my own little clamp to go up to the top, and yeah, and then I clamped the muffler onto the catalytic converter, and then I clamped the downpipe on to the muffler. And overall, removing the stock stuff was pretty easy. I just unbolted it from here, and it took a minute because it was a bit stuck, but I just used a hammer and I just hit it off, and then it just slowly worked its way off. Other than that, pretty nice. It sounds pretty good, so now I will start up the car and let you guys hear what it sounds. So yeah guys, that's it on the Super 44 Flowmaster exhaust on my Jeep XJ. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and I will see you guys next time.